Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Pay on your Vivoactive 5. First, open the Garmin Connect app on your paired smartphone. Navigate to your Vivoactive 5 device settings within the app. Look for the Garmin Pay option and select it. You will then be prompted to add a new card. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the secure setup process, accepting your bank's terms. Next, carefully enter your credit or debit card information into the Garmin Connect app. Your bank will then require you to verify the card, often through a text message or email code. Once verified, you will create a unique 4-digit passcode directly on your Vivoactive 5 watch. This passcode is essential for authorizing payments. After these steps, your card is successfully added and ready for use. To make a payment, simply hold down the up button on your Vivoactive 5 for about 2 seconds. This action will bring up the control menu. From there, select the wallet icon. Your watch will then prompt you to enter your 4-digit passcode. Once the passcode is entered, hold your watch display near the contactless payment reader at the terminal. A confirmation message will appear on your watch. For security, you only need to enter your passcode once every 24 hours, or each time you put your watch back on after removing it. Garmin Pay utilizes tokenization, meaning your actual card number is never stored on your watch or shared with merchants, enhancing security. Always ensure your Vivoactive 5 software is up to date for the best performance and security features.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.